In today's video I'm gonna help you a lot if you have back problem, spine problems, or even have many other problems with this perfect natural remedy. If you wait till the end of the show, I'm gonna give you my special recipe, that tea that can help you remove all your pain, swelling and other problems with your spine. I'm gonna recommend you something called cramp bark. Like evergreen cramp bark is another herbal remedy that naturally contains a compound called methyl salicylate, which is known to have pain relief and anti-inflammatory effects. As its name suggests, cramp bark is known for relieving cramps, including those associated with premenstrual syndrome. It also has long history of use in indigenous American herbalism, including the Penobscot tribe of Maine, which has used cramp bark to naturally treat gout and swollen glands. At the same time, in Wisconsin, the Meskwaki tribe used this herbal remedy for the back pain, arthritis and menstrual cramp. When you think about cramp bark, it is very well known right now all around the world, and you can buy it in local or maybe over internet health store, special ingredients, and that you can use it for the relieving this kind of problems. All in all, it said that bark or cramps had antispasmodic, sedative, relaxant and astringent properties. Let's take a closer look at this indigenous plant and its many possible health benefits. Cramp bark is effective in relieving any tense muscle, whether smooth muscle in the intestines, airways or uterus, or straight muscle attached to the skeleton. In the limbs or back, it may be taken internally or applied topically for relief muscle tension. For today's show, I'm gonna give you a special tea that you can drink in. Also, you can find capsules in the powder form or maybe in some kind of liquid cream form, and you can take it directly topically on your problems with your back, and you will see in the very short period of time relieving your problematic symptoms. The herb also treats symptoms arising from the excess muscle tension, including breathing difficulties in asthma and menstrual pain caused by excessive contraction of the uterus. For night cramps and the back pain, lobelia is often mixed with the cramp bark. The herb also relieves constipation, colic and irritable bowel syndrome, as well as the physical symptoms of the nervous tension. In some cases, after arthritis, where the joint weakness and the pain have become muscle to contract until they are most rigid. Cramp bark can bring remarkable relief as the muscle relaxant, blood flow to the area improves, waste products such as lactic acid are removed, and the normal function can return. Right now, this is very well known. It's been used for hundreds of years all around the world, especially in the Northern America. But right now, we have many research studies that can tell us that this is one of the best plants, especially if you have arthritis or you have some kind of back pain problem. Cramp bark is commonly used in treatment for high blood pressure and other circulatory conditions. Research in vitro reveals that crushed cramp can block smooth muscle cramps. So it's no surprise that one of the most known uses of the bark cramps are traditional herbal remedy for menstrual cramps that can accompany PMS. Endometriosis is the medical disorder which the tissue that normally connects the side of the uterus grow outside in the uterus. In the fruit of Viburnum opulus are used to treat gynecological disorder, including dysmenorrhea, painful periods, as well as ovarian cysts. So this is also one of the very well researched plants that can help you a lot, especially women. So that means menstrual cramps, endometriosis, ovarian problems, all can be helped in natural way using this bark cramp. Also, according to the experts in the field, cramp bark has long been used as spasmolytic or antispasmodic during pregnancy, particularly in miscarriage prevention. This use as a herbal remedy in pregnancy is said to back Native American tribes. Cramp bark is known to be top picked by herbalists in the United Kingdom for preventing miscarriage. Several active substances in Verbenopolus, including scopolamine and esculatin, have the label as having antispasmodic effects on the uterus. Usually, this plant had so many other health benefits, but for today's show, I'm going to recommend you if you have arthritis or you have the back kind of disease problem. What kind of tea you can make and drink? Cramp bark is traditionally prepared by placing 2 tablespoons of dry peel in the cup of water, bringing it to the boil, and then stewing for the 10 to 15 minutes. This tea can be consumed 2 to 3 times a day for the back pain or endometriosis for 15 days in a row. Another option is 4 to 8 milliliters of tincture 3 times a day. So usually I'm going to recommend you drink this perfect tea, and you will see in very short period of time that your problems will gonna go away. Also, you can use tincture, capsules, powder, or any other remedy that you can buy in your local healthy store. If you want to find out what is the best vitamin that can help you a lot with your back problems, click on my video right here. I'm gonna leave you a much more information about these special nutrients. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.